An afternoon with the chicken. This is Yiwa. Yiwa. Good girl. Hmm? Good girl, Yiwa. And this is Torfan. Torfan. And this is Nada. Nada. This is Ampao and Pan Soup. Good girl. Okay, go home. Because I have to start cleaning here. You're always the cause of damage and destruction here. Okay, go home, go home, go home, go home. And let me check here if I still have the strawberry. It's already dead. Hopefully we could still have like a few. Yeah, this one. And probably I'll have to transfer this one today. Still have one here. And this chickens here, they love pigweed plants. And I will get some here. They're following me. They're following me. Money, money. Ding ding. Tick, 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 tick. They're following me. Yeah, following me. You will find some pigweed plants here. Good that we still have some here. Our pigweed plants are growing together with our onion chives. I think I have to clean this area here again. So we have healthy onion chives here growing. And perhaps I have to use the soil down here for our cabbage. We have seedlings. There are heaps of seedlings. And we'll sit here and feed them. They're already full, but still they love to eat. You have to eat everything, eh? And the leaves that fell on the ground, you have to pick it up later. Yeah. For more than 2 years, we have our roaster here, the bantam roaster. He succumbed to Mark's disease, and our roaster just died last October. You're pecking my fingers. Pick on what is on the ground. Today is Monday, a holiday. My wife and I have to get back to work tomorrow, Tuesday. I was told by a Thai teacher to have a picture taking during the awarding ceremony. No, you're picking on my nail. Tomorrow morning for both of our students, the higher and the lower Matthew, took the champion last December 8th impromptu speech competition. Okay, here's start. So we still have leaves here. Okay, good, Nada. Good, Nada. No more. Tomorrow again. I think I'll have to cut some pigweed plants this afternoon and maybe like no. And maybe banana blossom too. So we'll harvest that and we'll put that one there inside the chicken coop so that they have something to pick on for the whole day tomorrow, because we'll be able to come back home likely late in the afternoon, 5:30, the earliest time. I guess I have to start the training for the preparation next round in Ratchaburi. It's like 6-7 hours travel from here. This January, beginning of January, I'll start having the training again with the two kids, grade 8 and grade 11. And then yeah, for the whole January 26 to 28 will be the day of the competition. So once I'm back January after New Year, then I'll have to start training again with the kids, preparing them for the next battle, hoping that we can still get the top one or the champion. If there's still another round, because words are divided from the school. Others would say it's still original, and others would say it's national. I don't know which one is correct. But whatever it is, we still have to aim for the another number one title. And if there's another national after that, then we can still go there and fight. So at the time being, I have to enjoy, but not really enjoy my time. Too little. I still have a lot of things to do outside here, and I'm thinking of planting purple eggplants here, the F1 hybrid. I think the space in between the banana trees, and I'll have to make sure that it can also get sunshine, like 4 to 6 hours a day. And I'm worried about the chickens anyway. There are chickens from the neighbors who are like strolling around looking for bugs, scratching here. Chickens, they don't care whatever they come across along the way, they have to scratch and stomp it. So I'm worried about my future eggplants that I'll be planting here, but I still have to find other method that I'm sure it could be possible. Anyway, so I'll get back to work tomorrow, and I can only have time in the garden during weekends, and not this weekend. I was so tired, so I just like do this kind of work a little bit, and then stop, get back inside. So I think I still have time now before it gets dark. So thank you, and see you in the next. Bye.